Okay, this is the beginning of my mole sauce. Okay, what I'm doing is basically I'm heating it up. This is a base. It's called, good luck in opening up the lid. The lid is the hardest. It's called Doña Maria, and this is how I started out. It's got the ingredients is soy, oil, crackers, wheat flour. It's got flour in it, and baking soda, chili peppers, sugar, sesame seeds, peanuts, wheat bran. Well, it doesn't have all, it's just got lots of peppers in it. What the heck? Anyways, I use it. It's really good. It's tasty. I would use real peppers, but I'm using this. Probably the last time I use it, but I'm just going to make the mole sauce. It's really good. I mean, who wouldn't use a mole sauce? Anyways, it's really yummy. If you want to use real peppers, you can to make the mole. And I doctor it up. Now what I'll do, you'll see the change of color as I add in some, I'm going to add in, you'll see how it changes color. It's going to get lighter. What I'm going to do is I'm going to blend in these vegetables that are in this broth that I made. You can see it's got, it's got the meat in there. So I'm going to blend it up. So it'll have some carrots and stuff in there. Yeah, all that stuff is going to get blended and then added into this mole sauce. So main thing it has is peppers. It has a whole lot of other stuff, but I'm reading it and it's like, it's not like it used to be. So I'm going to go ahead and add a lot of stuff to that. I'll show you in the next clip. Since I can't use two hands, I'm going to blend up that in there. I'm going to blend that in and I'll use it. Alright.